Last few years have been very difficult for women. With the lines between work and home blurring, women have been facing extreme challenges. We have been privileged to be able to support thousands of women every month over the last few years in improving their lives, in building their careers or businesses big. It's been our privilege. And I've been delighted in the last few months with the pandemic almost coming to an end and the markets opening big, situation is improving. And I invite you to use this opportunity to build an amazing career or a great business in the months and the years ahead. Thousands of women have used the Art of Winning methodology, and I invite you to use this methodology where at the INAD platform, women nudge each other, learn from each other, inspire each other and win together. Let's make 2022 as the landmark year in your career or business. We are committed to ensuring 2022 is going to be the breakthrough year in the lives of women. Let's make it happen together. We invite you to join the introductory masterclass today.